How to delete all your messages on Facebook Messenger on Android. This tutorial shows you how to quickly clear your entire inbox without deleting chats one by one. First, deleting every chat one by one can be a real hassle, so here is a much quicker way to clear everything at once. After that, open Messenger on your Android device and find any chat from your inbox. From there, long press on that chat and tap Delete to remove it. At this point, right after deleting, you will see a small pop-up appear at the bottom of the screen. Next to it, you will see an option that says Delete More. Tap on it. In the next step, you will be taken to a new page showing all your remaining chats with checkboxes next to each one. Following this, tap on Select All to select every chat in your inbox at once. Once done, tap on the trash icon at the top of the screen. From here, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete everything. Finally, tap Confirm and all your Messenger chats will be permanently deleted from your inbox at once. And that's it. If this Messenger guide helped you delete all your messages quickly, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.